Hi guys, today in today's video I'll be showing you all my slimes that I got. So they're all fluffy slimes, so hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. This is my first ever video on the YouTube channel, so hope you will be very proud of it and don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe down. Well, okay, so first one I'm going to show you is my blue one. Okay, don't forget that owl is very slippery and so I really like the smell of it. So as I'm going on, it's getting sticky. Well, it wasn't really sticky, it's just like this slippery kind of thing. So I really like this one. Second one is this one. So, I made this one today before I went to school. And this one is just plain white, and I really like this one, but this one is so sticky. Okay, so and this one is very stretchy. Okay, so put that on back in the container tub. I don't all have my hands. And the other one is this what I did after I came back from school, and I really like this one because I tried to put lots of leather in it, and it's just blue. And it's like my first one I showed you. So I don't know why that is, it's really annoying me. So it's just because that one's blue and this one's white. Well, how I made that one blue, I didn't add any food coloring into it. The shaving film was, well, I used shaving gel, but for this one I used shaving film. Shaving film, for this one I used shaving film. I used shaving film and gel for this one. But the shaving film was, shaving gel was blue, so just kind of blue. So, next is we're going to have a vote, which is the best one out of all three of them. So, I don't know. What shall we do? Let's have a think. Right, we'll test them all again. So, this one. This one is in the middle. That one's ticking. Well, I'm not really kind of sure of that because it's like a bit like thick, so I don't really like the thick slimes. But yeah, second one is this one, and I really think this one should be the winner because it's not thick at all. It's just like nice and like thin and stretchy and all that. So I really like that one. Okay. And this one, I know this one is at the bottom because this one is just like, it's all lumpy, and you can kind of see, well, you can't really see it, but yeah, it's really lumpy, so I don't really like this, and then this is really, like, I don't really like, because I don't like the way it feels, and it always gets stuck to me, that's why I do not like it. So we figured out which one. So this one the winners, this one comes second place, and this one comes last place. So I hope you all enjoyed, and my YouTube channel is all about parenting, and just remember this is my first YouTube video, and my first one was just a quick shout out. So hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.